Dog ramps are essential accessories for pet owners seeking to ensure the well-being of their furry companions. These innovative devices are designed to provide a safe and convenient solution for dogs of all sizes, particularly those with mobility challenges or joint issues. Typically constructed from durable materials like plastic, wood, or aluminum, dog ramps are both sturdy and lightweight, making them easily portable and adaptable for various settings. Whether you're helping a senior dog climb into a car, reach a bed, or access elevated surfaces, a dog ramp reduces the strain on their joints and minimizes the risk of injuries. Some ramps feature anti-slip surfaces or carpeting to offer secure footing, further enhancing safety. They come in various shapes and sizes to suit different applications, from foldable ramps for on-the-go use to permanent indoor installations. Investing in a dog ramp not only enhances your pet's quality of life but also promotes a lasting bond between you and your furry friend by ensuring they can always accompany you on adventures or enjoy a comfortable rest spot. Hello! Watch our video for expert dog ramp reviews, gain valuable insights into top models, and make informed choices that match your requirements. Stay up to date and select from the market's finest options. PetSafe, a highly regarded brand in the dog ramp industry, has secured an impressive 5th place in our rankings, affirming the accuracy of our assessment process. Crafted from 100% natural wood, it boasts a smooth, burr-free surface. Its solid wood construction ensures robust support, and the ramp has undergone independent safety testing, receiving a rating to support pets weighing up to 100 pounds. This versatile pet ramp can be adjusted to 3 different heights, making it suitable for most furniture in your home, whether it's a bed, couch, or car. However, it's crucial to measure the specific furniture's height where you plan to use the ramp to ensure its maximum height of 18.9 inches aligns with your needs. The high-traction fabric carpet on the ramp enhances paw grip, eliminating the risk of your pet slipping while climbing. With a width of 13.7 inches, it's ideal for small cats and dogs, alleviating muscle aches and joint tension caused by jumping and reducing paw and joint pressure. What's more, this adjustable dog ramp requires no assembly, and it can be conveniently folded when not in use, with a folded height of just 2.5 inches. This compact design allows for easy storage under a sofa, in a closet, or even in your car, ensuring your pet's mobility and comfort are always within reach. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. MEPVOL has secured a commendable 4th place in our rankings, solidifying its reputation as a prominent player in the dog ramp industry, consistently delivering excellence and unwavering quality. This dog ramp measures 37.4 inches in length and 15.75 in width, making it a versatile solution for helping your furry friends access beds, sofas, couches, cars, trucks, SUVs, and other elevated surfaces safely. One of its key benefits is the reduction of pet muscle aches and joint tension, alleviating the pressure on their paws and joints caused by jumping. With the ability to adjust to 6 different heights, it suits most furniture in your home, available in 12-inch, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22 adjustable platforms. The self-supporting design eliminates the need to lean it against furniture, and its surface is covered with wear-resistant fabric carpet featuring stripes for added traction. 2 foot covers and anti-slip pads enhance stability and safety during use. Furthermore, this pet ramp is foldable for easy storage in your car trunk, under a sofa, or beneath a bed, thanks to its compact design and integrated handle for portability. Cleaning is a breeze with a damp towel or vacuum for the mat. MEPVOL's adjustable ramp caters to both small and large pets, offering relief from muscle and joint discomfort, making it an excellent choice for elderly or arthritic pets needing assistance to reach sofas, beds, couches, cars, or other elevated surfaces. Earning a prestigious 3rd position in our rankings, the PRIORPET Dog Ramp stands out with an impressive array of features tailored to enhance safety and convenience for both pets and their owners. Notably, it includes a landing deck, bridging the gap between the ramp and your furniture, ensuring a secure and comfortable transition for your furry companion. The ramp comes complete with a comprehensive guide, providing step-by-step instructions, expert tips, and proven techniques. This resource caters to pet owners of all levels, offering valuable assistance to novices and seasoned caregivers alike. Handcrafted from exquisite, furniture-grade solid birchwood, this ramp is more than just a functional accessory, it's a stylish piece of furniture that complements your home decor. Its soft and rubberized surface texture provides exceptional grip for dog paws, ensuring improved traction, effortless cleaning, and superior durability compared to traditional carpet alternatives. Recognizing the need for portability, PRIORPET has thoughtfully added a handle for easy maneuverability around the house or during travel. Moreover, thanks to its clever design, the ramp can be folded flat to a mere 3 inches, ensuring hassle-free storage when not in use. This feature-rich dog ramp combines functionality, aesthetics, and convenience for a top-notch pet accessibility solution. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. TNELTUEB has secured an impressive second place in our distinguished selection, thanks to their innovative dog ramp that boasts cutting-edge design and exceptional features. This dog stair sets itself apart with its adaptability, offering 4 adjustable heights, 10, 14, 16, and 19 inches. This flexibility makes it a versatile solution for helping your small pets access beds, sofas, and cars, catering to your specific needs. The surface of the dog step is thoughtfully covered with wear-resistant fabric carpet featuring stripes, and it incorporates 5 crossbars to prevent your pets from slipping or falling while ascending the ramp. What's more, the ramp's foldable design ensures effortless storage. You can conveniently stow it in your car trunk, under the sofa, or beneath the bed without occupying excessive space when not in use. With a folded length of only 15.7 inches and a thickness of 3.9 inches, it's easily portable thanks to the integrated carry handle. This pet stair is designed with your pet's well-being in mind, featuring a gentle ramp that reduces muscle and joint tension associated with jumping and alleviates pressure on their paws and joints. Ultimately, TNELTUEB's dog ramp is a top-tier solution for helping your furry friend effortlessly reach high beds or couches, combining practicality and comfort in one impressive package. PetSafe, standing tall as the epitome of excellence in our carefully curated dog ramp selection, firmly establishes itself as the unrivaled leader in this domain. Their PetSafe Happy Ride folding pet ramp is a testament to their commitment to pet well-being. This ramp is a game-changer, allowing pets to ascend and descend from their favorite spots with ease, all without putting undue stress on their joints. What sets this ramp apart is its impeccable blend of durability and lightweight design. Weighing a mere 10 pounds, it boasts an impressive weight capacity of up to 150 pounds. After use, folding it in half and securing it with the built-in latch is a breeze, ensuring convenient storage. PetSafe's dedication to your pet's happiness shines through in their product. This folding ramp is not only sturdy but also wide enough to instill confidence in most pets. While some training may be needed for pets new to ramps, the versatility of this folding ramp extends to helping pets conquer various obstacles, from patio steps to porch stairs. The ramp's practicality extends to its portability, with a manageable 10-pound weight that people of all ages can carry comfortably. Rubber feet provide stability and prevent slipping, while the textured tread ensures your pet's paws maintain a secure grip while using the ramp. PetSafe's folding ramp is a testament to their commitment to enhancing the lives of both pets and their owners. We deeply appreciate and honor your vital role in advancing dog ramps. Your unwavering support and invaluable feedback drive our innovation and growth. Your involvement remains central to our success, and we extend heartfelt gratitude for your continued contributions.